Guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Another feature for you guys today in the form of this mental Megane RS. This is without a doubt the most powerful and most extreme one that I've ever filmed. It's fully forged, it's got a big turbo running around 550 brake horsepower, about 504 wheel horsepower I believe it is. It's a full track car, as I said, fully forged as well, so it's an absolute machine. Of course, in usual fashion, we are joined today with Liam, the owner. We'll introduce him, we'll have a walk around, basically what he's done to it before we go out and experience this absolutely bonkers Megane RS. Okay, so we're joined now with Liam, the owner. Mate, thank you so much for coming down today. This is a bit of a weapon, isn't it, really? It's
That's not too bad, yeah.
It's lively, absolutely lively. I do love these cars, though. Seeing as we've got the bonnet open, we'll take a little look in here, dive straight in. A lot's been done to it.
Well, yeah, everything's changed.
A lot, everything.
Pretty much, yeah.
So, yeah, if it's all right to give us a bit of a walk.
Basically, we took engine's fully stripped down. We're balanced, lightweight, the crank. We got the new Vosner rods now. Okay, yeah. New Vosner style pistons. Top end then, we're running some 172 cams.
Okay.
They work out nearly the same size as the cat cams. So it's a far cheaper option, much better idea. Obviously we've got a big fuel pump system in the boot to keep the pressure, 1000cc injectors. We're a bit different with this one as well. Before we go for a side mounted turbo, so obviously we've got the side mounted turbo manifold, the G25 660. It's been reworked slightly, so it's got faster spooling time. Obviously then we're running an AirTech intercooler, which I've obviously had to cut, customise the fit for the turbo. Under the bonnet, that's really it then. Obviously we're running a TTV twin paddle plate clutch to take the power and the torque. The gearbox is standard other than that. Running some operated engine mounts. But other than that, that's pretty much it then to get the power out of it.
Yeah, I mean you open the bonnet up and it just looks nuts under it.
Well yeah, that's why we went for that yellow colour, because it's a genuine rental yellow. So it's something different, isn't it, to look at.
The one you see on the Clio V6, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
Acid yellow?
Acid yellow, it's called, yeah. It's a genuine colour, there's only a few of them actually painted that colour. So this is a bit different, isn't it?
Fair play. I mean, so you said it's a bit of a quick spool turbo, so it's...
Yeah, there is obviously lag, it's a bigger frame turbo. We've still got bits to finish on it and stuff, you know, things to move and tidy up and stuff, but we just wanted to get it running and get a bit of use out of it first. And
it dynoed at 504 wheels?
504, yeah, we've got it. We made a lot more than that, but drivability, torque, we need to keep the foot-pounds around 400, otherwise we just start smashing gearboxes to bits. Obviously it's a track car, so we're driving it hard.
Absolutely.
Obviously and heat related as well. More torque creates more heat, so trying to keep everything intact.
Moving around though, I spy some 2 forged wheels.
Yeah, 2 forged wheels 9J. All round, we're running 245 Michelins at the moment.
Nice,
we have got 255s on it, but they just scrub too much.
Suspension wise as well?
ASTs, 5100s. They've been slightly reworked. Slightly different spring race ratings. They're pretty good to be fair. Happy for them.
No, it sits really well.
Yeah, it sits well. It does scrub a little bit on the rear because obviously the wheels, but...
And exhaust wise as well, is it?
Exhaust is it's a turbo back, but it's a full custom V-band system. So it's 3-inch all the way with a back box delete as well.
But that sounds
it's about 102 decibels it was pushing out.
Okay, so it's just
about in, And obviously the ECUs we mapped as well, so we're running 2-stage maps. On sport, it's full power, and off sport then we've got around about 350 atmosphere pressure.
Nice.
So when you're travelling on the motorway and stuff, you're not rinsing the fuel here.
It's still the standard ECU as well.
Standard ECU, You know, to be honest, the ECUs are really good on these, so you don't really need to. Obviously, launch control and stuff. You want to go for a Cyvex, but it isn't a car to be launching, is it?
For sure, exactly that. Obviously, full build on the interior, which we'll get into when we're out in the car. But yeah, it's a proper setup thing, isn't it, really? You've done a lot of the work yourself as well.
All of it, pretty much. I bought the car half built, but it was a mess. So we just took it down to chassis, everything back out, we basically redid everything that was in there. We're running an oil cooler as well, 12-row oil cooler. Can't see it's in the wheel arch. Running a turbo cooler as well. That's a 16-row one. So
and there's no meth or anything, is there?
No, but the F4R engines don't like meth. To be honest, I run it at such a low compression that we're nowhere near close to knock, so... And also we've got the 1000cc injectors, so we've got more than enough fuel going in there. Probably a bit too much, to be honest,
That's it.
Low down, but...
Fair play. But yeah, if that's pretty much everything, we'll get it fired up and go for a spin.
Lovely. Stop now.
Unbelievable. That's incredible. Like, that does not sound like a Megane.
Oh no.
That's absolutely nuts. can't get over that sound.
It doesn't sound like a Megane at all, does it?
It sounds totally different.
It sounds hangry.
Yeah.
The only problem is now, obviously, with a bigger turbo on it,
Yeah.
the spools, the lag is awful.
Yeah?
Oh mate, watch third gear.
Oh yeah.
It's the...
From lower down in the lower gears, it's all right?
I never really booed it first because you're just going to smash the gearbox.
Yeah.
But it's more impressive when you get up to speed.
Yeah.
Because then you can actually start using the power.
Well, inside though, we've obviously got a full build in here.
Yeah.
Welding cage.
Full weld.
Yeah.
It's even into the back shock mounts as well.
Yeah.
So it's
similar to my Golf actually.
Yeah.
Similar kind of setup-ish. But yeah, mate, short shifter as well. It's a proper
It didn't have any carpet in it, but I put the carpet back in just to try and give it a little bit of comfort.
Yeah.
It's not.
Absolutely insane. Do you know these seats are actually really comfy?
Yeah, they're really nice.
It's not bad. What's the stay-belt? Yeah, stay-belt seats.
GT3, I think they are.
Yeah.
GT3.
4-point harnesses.
They're really comfortable. I tell you what I used to like. Those Sparkos XL Evos.
Yeah.
They're like the cheapest seats you can buy, but God, they're comfortable.
Yeah. Do you know, it sounds a bit like a rally car.
Yeah. It's all the turbo noises as well.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah,
I was going to
that's
put an air filter on it, but it just sounds too nice to put one on it, doesn't it?
Yeah. This is insane.
It just wants to go, mate, all the
It
time.
does, mate. I mean, it's slightly laggy, but it's not too bad. I've definitely been in laggier cars.
Oh yeah,
Definitely been in laggier
It's just
cars.
if you drive a standard one or a mapped one, I think
Yeah.
they come in like Peak Torques 3000, so they feel really nice and to drive. With this thing, obviously, like it's flat.
But when it kicks in,
Oh mate, when it comes on, it made really good numbers. Like we weren't expecting the numbers we got out of it.
Yeah.
we was expecting a
really
lot.
good numbers.
Yeah, we were expecting around like 470, 480.
Yeah.
But this is internal weight escape turbo as well.
Yeah.
So we went in.
Wow. Yeah, this thing is on steroids.
It's mad, isn't it?
It's
But
nuts.
then I know it's fast, but it doesn't drive that bad, does it?
No, it's all right.
Like I know it's a bit wandery a little bit, but
comfy.
it's going to wander a bit, but it's not that bad.
God, it's good round the corners. This will never get old, I tell you.
Mate, you see why I'm a bit nervous about swapping it for the M3?
Yeah.
It's like, oh,
Yeah, don't sell it.
did you say nothing else?
Nah, this thing is insane.
It's one of the wildest ones you've been in.
Yeah, definitely. It's pretty addictive, really, because like it's just such a theatre being in here.
Oh,
You
mate,
can't really hear
it's
yourself
drama,
think.
isn't it?
Yeah. It's good around the corner. It's just flat, isn't it?
Oh, mate, it's awesome.
You do have to hold on, though, don't you?
Off, yeah. But it's weird though, you've got to hold on but not hold on.
Yeah.
If you hold it tight, it'll really go. That's what you've got to do when
Yeah.
you accelerate. You just got to let it wander a little bit.
Yeah.
That's fourth gear.
Is that four? Jesus.
That's
What a car. What a car.
fourth. That's fourth gear, mate. It feels more like second, doesn't it?
It does. Oh, mate. But yeah, mate, thank you so much for coming down
That's all right.
and showing me this absolute beast of a thing.